Cold. The winds are down a little bit today over yesterday, so that's going to help us out a smidge this afternoon, just a smidge. It's baby steps, this time of year. That's usually how it works out. Hey, taking it down to the Skyway shot, the webcam view down there, and some snow flurries. You can kind of see the visibility dropping a little bit toward the far end of this shot, and those are some snow flurries drifting in just south of downtown right now. We had a little weak lake effect response start to pop up here during the late morning hours, impacting areas just south of downtown and a little bit further southward, even into sections of the southern tier. And we're going to take a look at it now on Forewarned Doppler. Here you go, some lake effect snow showers. Now, keep in mind the lake is about 95% ice covered, but there are some patches of open water out there, and that's all you need to generate some of this lake effect. And that's the case at noontime today. It is definitely cold enough for it. We have this streamer scooting in just to the south of downtown right now, impacting some of the southern suburbs and off to the east. And a little bit more activity even further to the south, down here around Collins, Irving, down into Silver Creek, and almost making its way as far south as Dunkirk. So if you traveling westbound on the Thruway or Route 5, you're going to be going through some of this activity, at least during the course of the afternoon hours. Well, with all this wintry weather, everybody's asking me, hey, how many more days to spring? 38 more days to go, and spring is here. So let's hang in there as we check out Super Microcast at noontime. We're looking at a few flurries coming down across the Niagara frontier as we work through the afternoon hours. Outside of this lake effect snow, though, skies will be mostly sunny. It'll be nice to see that sunshine, but still rather brisk out there. Again, wind speed's not quite as strong as yesterday, but strong enough at least to produce quite a chill in the air. As we get into the nighttime period, there's a chance of a few flurries, otherwise partly to mostly cloudy skies for the nighttime, and some of the protected valleys are going to be dipping down to around 0, maybe even into the sub-zero range by tomorrow morning to about 10 degrees in the city and along the immediate lakeshore. We'll wrap up the week on Friday with mostly to partly cloudy skies. Again, a chance of a few snow flurries, mainly in the Niagara frontier. Nothing big. As we get into tomorrow night, more clouds start to head our way from out of the west. You can see them streaming in here. And as of Saturday, we're going to be getting into this snow shower activity. It's going to be snow showers on Saturday. The temperature should be cold enough for this still. However, on Sunday, these snow showers will start to mix with a few raindrops as the temperatures moderate to above freezing to wrap up the weekend. So it looks like that ice maybe for the pond hockey tournament might start to get a little sloppy maybe toward the tail end of the weekend. Unfortunately, even though we're warming up this weekend, we're still going to be dealing with a brisk breeze. So on paper, it's going to seem warmer, but it may not necessarily feel like it, especially around the Buffalo metro. Current temps 14 degrees at Niagara Falls, 13 at Buffalo. We have a 9 down there at Jamestown and Wellsville, having a tough time warming up as of midday 8 at Bradford. And when you take the wind speed into account, still some sub-zero wind chills as of the noon hour, -3 at Buffalo and the Falls and -9 down at Bradford. A great shot of the preparations down by the waterfront for the pond hockey tournament from Brian. And, this is proof that here in Western New York, we make do even in the middle of winter. Carlton doing his cookout up in Gasport yesterday. Checking out the forecast. Sunset time coming up at 5:41 this afternoon. And for the rest of this afternoon, mostly sunny skies. But patchy clouds around the metro and areas to the south with maybe even a flurry. Very cold and a brisk breeze, 10 to 15. Wind chill about -5 for the overnight. Nasty wind chill. Still some scattered flurries across the area, down to 0 inland to about 10 by the lakeshore in the city. A partly to mostly cloudy day for Friday. Chance of a few light snow showers, nothing big, 20 to 26 degrees. Those snow showers more likely getting into Saturday with a brisk breeze, 26 to 30. And on Sunday, we'll be looking at some snow showers mixed with some raindrops as the temperatures moderate up to about 37. And again, rather breezy, if not even windy, each day this weekend. So you still have to bundle up if you're going to be outdoors for any length of time.
And we have the Winterfest, the Powder Keg Festival, as well as the Labatt's Pond Hockey Tournament.
Yep. Busy weekend.
Busy. We need that good weather.